Let's be honest, roofing isn't something most people think about until there's a leak over their heads or storm damage hits. But here in South Alabama, where the weather can turn quick, your roof is one of your home's most important lines of defense. At Wise Builders, roofing isn't just a service, it's a promise of safety, durability, and attention to detail. Whether you're needing a roof replacement, a commercial flat roof, or you just want to know you've got a team on call when something goes wrong, we're here to walk you through it. We've been serving homeowners and business owners across Mobile, Alabama for years, and we know the unique challenges that come with the climate down here. From heat and humidity to hurricane season, we've seen it all. Our team is trained and experienced in metal roofing, asphalt shingles, flat roofing, and emergency roof repairs after storms. When you work with us, you're not getting a cookie cutter approach. You're getting customized solutions designed for your exact property, budget, and long-term peace of mind. Let me break down some of what we offer. Residential roofing. From installing new roofs to replacing old ones, we make sure your home stays protected year-round. Asphalt shingles remain a popular choice, but we're also seeing more and more homeowners choose metal roofing for its energy efficiency and long lifespan. We help you compare options and make the right decision. Commercial roofing. Businesses across Mobile count on us for efficient, no-hassle, flat roofing solutions. Whether it's TPO, EPDM, or built-up roofing, we offer durable solutions that help keep your business both running and your building protected. Storm damage and repairs. Storm came through? Don't worry, we respond fast. From tarping to full repair, we're here to help stop the leak and start the fix right away. We're proud of our BBB accreditation, but what really matters to us is what our customers say. Roofing isn't just about putting shingles down. It's about knowing how materials behave in our Mobile, Alabama climate. It's about taking the time to do a thorough evaluation of every project and using top-tier roofing materials that hold up over time. We never cut corners, and we never recommend something just because it's trendy. Our goal is to give you the best roof for your specific needs, whether you're a homeowner or a business. So, how do you choose the right roofing company? Check for BBB accreditation. Ask about years of experience. Read through their client testimonials. Make sure they explain the process clearly, and most importantly, go with a team that makes you feel heard. At Wise Builders, we check all those boxes. And we're not just saying that. We encourage you to read our reviews, ask your neighbors, and give us a call to talk through your project. We're here for you. If your roof is leaking, aging, or just ready for a refresh, or if you're a business owner planning ahead, we'd love to help. Give Wise Builders, Roofing and Renovations a call today, or visit our website to schedule your free inspection. Let's get your roof handled with the care, skill, and transparency you deserve. Make the wise choice. Call us today.